Hello, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about skincare. You guys know I love skincare. Skincare is extremely important to me because good skin, a makeup applies amazing, and you just feel amazing. You know, your skin looks good, you feel good about yourself, you feel confident. So the brand that I will be talking about is Zoo Beauty. They are sponsoring this video, so thank you so much. It's so awesome, you guys, when you love a product and the company wants to sponsor the video, you're just like, thank you. Okay, so you guys have seen me show this on my Snapchat, on my Instagram. So you guys know I've been using Zoo Beauty for a while. So they sent me over 5 products, okay? These 5 products I've been using. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of info on Zoo Beauty. So Zoo Beauty started in 2015. It's a vegan brand. So there is a place in Colombia that have papaya farmers. So what Zoo Beauty did is supplied them with up-to-date equipment so that they can farm better and so that things would go a lot easier for them. So they are partnered with them. So they reimburse them for the ingredients and they pay them, and Zoo Beauty gives back to the community. I will link their videos down below. You guys definitely should watch them. It's just really inspiring to see a really awesome brand giving back to the community. They're not, you know, taking a huge cut from the farmers or anything. They're actually giving back. And what's even better is each bottle, each Zoo Beauty product that you purchase, on the back you can register the code, and this is, you know, the give back code. You can register your code and vote for a charity that you want them to donate to. They give back and they donate and help that charity out, which is awesome, you guys. So when you purchase something, you know that you're giving back. You're helping the community, you're helping the farmers, you're giving back to a charity. That's 3 things. So that's freaking awesome, and that's another reason why I wanted to talk about this first, because I will be doing a skincare series and I wanted Zoo Beauty to be the first that I speak about, because when I actually got to learn more and was reading up on this, I was just like, holy moly, this is awesome. I love when a brand gives back in this way. It feels good. It feels like, okay, yes, because there are other places out there that are suffering more than us and we take a lot of things for granted. So when a company does this and helps out and doesn't just reimburse them but pays them very, very well and gives back to the community, it's just so awesome. And then they're to the charities, it's just so like, wow. It feels good when you're supporting the brand. So let's go over the products. This is the Exfoliating Facial Scrub. So what I like to do with this product, I like to use it twice a week, at the beginning of my week and then at the end. So like a Saturday. Monday, I'm starting off, I want to get my skin prepped and all good, and then go the whole week, and then Saturday, I wash my face, scrub it in there. It feels so good, you guys. I have seen a difference. I feel like my skin is getting more even, and a few of you guys have noticed that too. It's been really good for my skin. So this is twice a week, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys now what I use on a daily basis. So this is a Purifying Facial Cleanser. I use this every single day. Once I get home from the gym, I wash my face, get all the stuff rinsed off my face, because working out, you do sweat a lot and you don't want to leave that on your face. So I use that, scrub it in, rub it in, all of that. It's good. My face looks nice. My face feels fresh. It doesn't feel like it strips away the oils at all. It just feels really nice and good. Then I go on to my Soothing Facial Toner. This I'm almost done with it because I really, really like it, and it has cucumber, which is even better. So what I like to do, I like to grab a cotton and I spray the cotton and I rub it all over my face and my neck, and then I go in again and I just spray myself. Good. I'm good to go. So maybe that's why I'm running out of that one. So next I go in with my daily facial moisturizer. This really helps hydrate my skin because lately I've been getting really, really dry. I go in with this, apply it over my face, and I'm good to go. Okay, so when it comes to nighttime, what I do, if I wash my face, if I'm using any makeup, I use this baby again, get it all off my face. It's looking all nice. Then I go in with the toner. Going in with the toner, getting my face looking nice. I go in with the Restoring Night Cream. This is really, really good for night. I feel like my face just feels super moisturized, and in the morning it's just absorbed into my skin. Good to go. So those have been really helping me out, and I like how it's just simple. Just 5 products, simple, simple, simple. I know there's sometimes where you're just like, okay, what do I use? What do I use? I need this, I need that, I need this, I need that. 5 simple items. And there's like 2 other items that I throw in there, which is my eye cream and my wrinkle reducer. The other items are these 5 that I have been using religiously. So those are the 5 items, and then just 2 that I use to switch out because I'm always trying to find the next better thing, especially for eye cream. So I'm just like, you know, time's flying and it's just like, oh my god. It's like, oh my god. But other than that, this is super simple and it gets the job done. And what I like the most in this skincare, it has quinoa in it. I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly, but it's super good for your skin, like very, very good. So a lot of people call quinoa the mother of grains because it just has so many amazing things in the quinoa that it does for your health, for your skin, bunch of stuff. It's so good, and quinoa is in all 5 of these skincare products. So quinoa kicks butt. So if you ever see quinoa and your skincare, you're like, okay, yeah, that's gonna be good. And it smells really good. It's just the papaya, it just gets me. It just gets me. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Like, I'm scared that I'm gonna run out of it, so I'm glad I only use it twice a week because, girl, these ones for sure, it's just like, oh dang, you know that's natural. You know what I mean? So yeah, you guys should definitely try them out. Again, I will link their website down below at the top so you guys can see it. You guys won't miss it. I highly recommend them. They are an amazing company, you guys. You know how it's just one thing, like, okay, that's just a company? No, the employees as well. And they don't even know I'm saying this, but they are freaking awesome. So highly recommend them, you guys. This is like my top one. This is why I wanted to make them first in the series. So I'm gonna be doing more skincare videos, just focusing on just that certain brand, but I want to do beauty to be the first. It just blows me away of how involved they are with the farmers and how much they're giving back. That warmed my heart. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep up with my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.